So to start off, I loosened the string so that I could just cut the string right here and it wouldn't have to snap back and hit me or anything. And then I loosened the peg so that I could take the string off of the top end of the guitar. And here I struggled with trying to figure out how to get the bridge pins out. And after a few minutes I finally realized that you just have to push the string in and the bridge pin would pop right out. Then I began to take out the new strings, and they come in little groups of two. And I took out the E string, which is the one that I cut off first, and I put the string in with the bottom and put the pin back in with the groove facing towards the top end of the guitar so that the string could go through. And then I measured it out and cut it, and then here you can see me tightening it back up and just tight enough for it to stay on, and then I would tune it later and it'd be all set.